back to my channel. If you are new on my channel, my name is Happiness. I'm a family, food, beauty and lifestyle vlogger. I do a lot of stuff here in my channel. And so guys, I want to say thank you for coming. Thank you for choosing this channel. And guys, on this vlog we're going to be doing something really very special, and that is photo shoot. I haven't done photo shoot on this channel, so it's my first photo shoot. Guys, I'm so excited about it. I'm going to go outside right now to do Harmony's hair, something really very simple. Her hair is really bad right now. I'm going to do 2 ponies for her, and I'll do 1 pony for myself. So guys, that's what we're going to be doing tomorrow. And it's already Friday here, and tomorrow is Saturday, a perfect day for photo shoot. And so guys, I have the kids' dresses ready, and we are not going to the studio. We're just going to do it in a very nice nature place where there's water, there's tree, flowers. Oh my god. I can't wait for this photo shoot. Anyway guys, that is about it. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't.
And guys, I did the simplest of all braids for Harmony. It's just 2 braids, 2 ponies, and right there in the middle I'm just gonna put a white clip. I use this white beads because we're gonna be wearing white dresses. Simple, plain, no prints and no brown names on it. And these are the white dresses the kids are gonna be wearing. I got these dresses 7 months ago in Primark, so they haven't really worn it since I bought this dress. It's 7 months now, and it still have its label. It was on sale actually, so I got them, and I'm glad they're using it for the first time today. And it's just an opportunity. It was just the right one and the right dress for the right time. So that's it, and I'm gonna be wearing a jumpsuit. I have a white jumpsuit from the wardrobe, and I think it's gonna be perfect for this photo shoot. And guys, these are the dresses for the girls. Let's go. Hey, it's 10:30 in the morning, and here we are in the park, and the kids are ready, and we are all ready, and we are already on the shoot, and it's going really well. We had to change different seating position, and Lavender was so excited. She was screaming in her highest voice, and Harmony was just calm. And the photographer is so amazing. She's the best.
Kiss your little girl. Kiss, yeah. Okay. Make a little bit different positions, huh? Okay. And click it. Yeah. You have to kiss, or you have something like. Yeah. Yes.
This is the caption for that snap. It's so sweet. And Lavender was smiling all the way, and Harmony was just so calm because she likes to take her time to study people before she gets talking. Harmony didn't want to stand to take personal pictures. We just had to talk her into it and just try to persuade her a little. And I know why Harmony is like that. I guess she's used to mom and dad taking her pictures, and here she is with a woman in front of her trying to take her picture. She's like, what's going on here? So I guess that's the feeling she's having. But yeah, she really tried. She tried her best, and she didn't cry. She was just too calm, and Lavender was all in the mood for photos. And there she goes, waving and smiling and laughing. And talking about the weather, it was so nice, beautiful, and sunny. And here are some beautiful captions. And talking about the photographer, oh my god, she is good. I'm actually going to be leaving her info in the description. She is so amazing.
Oh, good job. Good job. Harmony, do hip 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 hurrah. Kijk. Harmony, yeah. Is it time? Okay, yeah. Harmony, kijk. Hip hip hip. Hip hip hip.
I just wiggled a piece of cloth up and the baby looked up and we got this. Another beautiful caption is a place where the baby got playing and looking at her palm. It's one of my favorite actually. And this time we went on and changed into something really very summery and airy. And we went to the other side of the park. I and Lavender went on a sleeveless white dress and Harmony went on a blush color dress.
Yeah. Oh, that's really nice.
Okay, just there. Yeah, hold. Oh, because it's a little bit flower. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, dan een keer. She's a happy girl. Yeah.
And we took a walk down to the other side, very close to the water, to take more photos. Oh guys, look at this cute little ducky. Look at the green. Look at those trees and the water. It's really beautiful here. And guys, which do you prefer, having to do this in the studio or here in the nature place? For me, I prefer to do it here. I would choose here 10 times even before I get to choose doing it in the studio. So leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you prefer, how you like it, what you think about it. Or have you an idea of what you think I should do next? Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section and just let me know. And we went on having a couple of photos by the waters. And here is some mama and daughter talk time. And the kids got big kiss from mama because they did really well. Playtime. And the photographer, oh my god, she is good. She is good. Oh my god, it's so beautiful here. I just feel so good in the inside. And guys, we've got it to the end of it all. Yay! Here are still some photos. Nice photos. I really enjoyed it. It was nice. All the information you need is there in the description, so make sure you check it out. And just leave a comment in the section of what you think on this vlog. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring on a notification bell so you get notifications whenever I have a new video. Bye guys, I'll see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.